Hi friends and fellow Disney fans. Today we are going to be checking out Disney's Boardwalk Resort. So come along. Today we are going to be checking out Disney's Boardwalk Resort. I'm so excited to see the new renovated rooms and just an overall look for you guys to see if this is maybe a potential resort that you would like to stay at. But first, let's talk a little bit about the channel. My name is Jamie Thomas. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. So I'm here to help you get the most out of your next trip. If you are interested in booking your Disney vacation with me, then my services are completely free, and you can find all of my contact information in the description below. So let's go to Boardwalk and check it out. The Boardwalk has tons of great activities happening. They have evening games, Mickey tie gut dye, a campfire with s'mores, make your own mosaic, and then of course movie under the stars. The leisure pool is open 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. and then Luna Park pool is open 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. So that gives you lots of time when you get back from the park. And over here is the quiet pool. Look at this chandelier in the hallway. It's absolutely gorgeous. They've completely renovated this room. It's just beautiful. This whole resort is getting a whole kind of makeover. Okay, so this is a standard room at the Boardwalk. Have 2 queen beds. Under the bed there's tons of storage, a lovely Mickey chair, and then a day bed, little pull-out couch kind of thing for one person. There's some hidden Mickeys on the pillow. Really lovely. Lots of beautiful art on the walls. Flat screen TV. Little kind of coffee station there. We have some lovely photos. And then we have the bathroom with a double vanity. Lovely little picture there. And then here's the shower. That's really nice. Look at this lovely balcony. Absolutely gorgeous. And look at the curtains. How cute is that? So I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this resort overview. Maybe this is a resort that you are considering for your next Disney vacation. If you would like me to come alongside and help you plan, then as I mentioned before, I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. So I'm here to help you plan your trip, and my services are completely free when you book your hotel and tickets with me. So you can find my contact information in the description below, or contact me via email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com or www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Make sure to take a moment and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.